Okay, hi. In this very session, I will be showing to you how to use Python. Okay, first thing first, you go to your search bar and then type Anaconda. Oopsie. Anaconda here. You go to this one and then you click open. Once it's open, you will be seeing this interface. Okay, let me hide this one first. Okay, you will be seeing this very interface. So again, as I said, for the purpose of this class, we will be using Jupyter Notebook. But please go ahead if you want to try Spider. Just go ahead. You can use Spider. It's just like practically almost the same. But I will be using Jupyter for you. So to use Jupyter, you have to click Launch here. Once it launch, it will go through this one. You will see this very interface. So again, as I said, Jupyter Notebook will run using a browser, but it runs locally in your machine. Okay, so you click here and then you will go to this one, and then with that, please go ahead and create a folder for our class. Here you click here as click new here, click new and then click folder kat sini, and then okay here dah keluar untitled folder. Lepas tu you boleh go ahead lah tukar nama. Okay, so kat mana folder ni berada? Folder ni berada, in case you nak cari folder tu you tak tahu kat mana, so folder ni berada, you go to your C and then go to your C and then go to your users and then go to whatever your file names are here, go to here and then you akan nampak you punya folder kat sini. So as for me, I have created my folder named DV, stand for data visualization here. So I will see this folder here, in here. Okay, so whatever data sets that you want to run, you must put the data set in this folder. Folder yang you nak guna, folder yang awak guna untuk simpan kod, folder yang sama awak kena simpan database. Okay, clear? Wait. Okay, so here. Now, mari kita buka kita punya file. So, bila kita nak buka kita punya Python file, okay, we click new here and then click Python 3. Okay. So, bila kita buka, kita akan dapatlah kat sini namanya Python 3. So, let's say here kita tak nak pakai nama untitled, kita nak tukar nama. So, we click untitled here and then tukarkan nama. Okay, what should we do? What should we write first? DV, I think. Okay, rename. So, kita pun dapatlah kita punya nama dia first DV. Gitu. So, I think that's all for now. In the next video, kita akan terus pergi kepada hands-on on data visualization. So, stay tuned.